about your job, Simon.
Oh, okay.
The film starts in quarter of an hour.
Where are they?
What do you do at weekends?
I play tennis, watch football, go to the cinema, go to clubs.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Jane?
No, it's okay. No, I don't, actually.
More coffee? Jane?
Hang on, I've got an idea.
He doesn't have a girlfriend,
He likes tennis
but he also likes football.
and going to the cinema.
It's David. The film starts in 10 minutes. Say goodbye to your big, boring boyfriend and hurry up.
Just a moment. Helen, it's David.
I really like Simon. Unfortunately, Jane likes him too. But I'm not sure if David does.